Hi ma'am. So in the previous classes we have done with the mean. Okay, in the mean we have seen individual, discrete, continuous, missing frequency, combined mean. Okay, even corrected mean, weighted arithmetic mean we have seen. So from today onwards we are going to start with the median. So once you see actually what is a median. Okay, median in simple term means middle. Median in simple term means middle. So in statistics, median represents the middle points or in a series. Median divides the observations into two equal parts in such a way that the number of observations smaller than the median is equal to the number of observations greater than it. So here nothing but I will give an example. If 1 to 10 values are there, 1 to 10 values are there. So what we have to do here, in 1 to 10 values, here we have to find the middle value. How in 1 to 10, which one you can say the middle value here? Nothing but from 1 to 10. 1 to 10 is nothing but number of items. In that number of items, which one will be the middle value here? Which one will be the middle value? That middle value we have to find. That middle value we have to find here. Okay. So here also in median we will be having a individual series. For finding the middle value we will be having individual series, discrete series and continuous series. Okay, even with median we are going to learn the quartiles, deciles and percentiles in this topic. Okay, so see the formulas regarding the median, quartiles, deciles and percentiles. Okay, see first here median. So median individual series. For individual series, median formula size of n plus 1 by 2 item. Size of n plus 1 by 2 item. Here n means nothing but number of items. N means nothing but number of items here. Okay, number of items we have to take in case of individual series. Okay, next coming to the discrete series. This discrete series also same. Size of n plus 1 by 2. Size of n plus 1 by 2. But here n means total of frequency. In case of discrete series, n means total of frequency. In case of individual series, n means n means number of items. Okay, that should be clear. Same formula, but here n means number of items. Here n means what ma? N means total of frequency. Okay. In case of continuous series, first we have to find size of n by 2. Size of n by 2 first we have to do. Here also n means nothing but total of frequency. After doing that, we have to apply the median formula. In case of continuous series, what is the median formula here? L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into I. So L1 is nothing but lower limit, nothing but here the value which we will select, that class interval we have to take n by 2 which we got, that we have to take minus Cf by f into I. So while doing the problem it will be clear for you. Okay. Next Q1, quartiles I have said na. Quartiles means nothing but quarters, 4 parts, but in quartiles we have two, lower quartile and upper quartile, Q1 and Q3 here. Okay, here also same formula. Here median means middle I have said 2 parts. Here quartiles means 4 parts ma. Same formula again, size of n plus 1 by 4th item. So here also in case of discrete series also size of n plus 1 by 4th item. In case of continuous series also size of n by 4th item, and we have to apply the formula here. Here n by 2, here we have to take n by 4. In case of Q3 again same formula, but what we have to do here, we have to multiply with 3. Size of 3 into n plus 1 by 4th item, size of 3 into n plus 1 by 4th item, and size of 3 n by 4, 3 into n by 4th item, and we have to apply the formula here. Okay, same formulas but median 2 and this is 4, and this we have to multiply with 3. Next coming to the decile. Decile means nothing but 10. Decile means nothing but 10. So size of n into n plus 1 by 10. Here n is nothing but, if suppose here he has given d5. If suppose in case of he has given d5, here what we have to take? 5 we have to take. That's why I have written. If suppose here he has given d3, if suppose here he has given d3, then what we have to take here? 3 we have to take. What we have to take? 3 we have to take. And same formula. Decile means nothing but divided by 10. All divided by 10 again, n plus same formulas, and same here also. Here also same formula will be there ma. D5 is equal to L1 plus 3 n into n, d5 into n by 10 divided by f minus f into I. Same formula will be there. Okay, next coming to the P. P means nothing but percentile. In case of percentile again 100. Okay, again 100, n plus 1 by 100. Okay, same formulas here also in case of individual series, discrete series and continuous series also. Okay, so these are the formulas, but here important is median, q1 and q3. These are very important. You should be, why? Because these will be a continuous for your next. So these are the total. How many are there? 5. In that, median, q1 and q3 are very important. Okay, why? Because these are, okay, this will be the continuation of the next unit 4. Clear, Amma? So write down all these formulas in your notes. Clear? Okay.